Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So I have an exciting new product to show you guys today. I'm showing you guys the newly re-released Sheglam Complexion Pro Foundation. So if you guys don't know, Sheglam is an affordable cosmetics brand and it's sold exclusively on Shein.com and on the Shein app. Here is how the foundations are packaged in this super chic, super high-end velvet tube. So I just want to take the sleeve off for you guys and show you all this product. So here is the Sheglam Complexion Pro Foundation in the color Caramel. And here is the Sheglam Complexion Pro Foundation in the color Earth. Look at this bottle, you guys. I'm loving the frosted bottle. It looks so high-end, but you guys, it's so affordable. It is a long-lasting, breathable, and buildable foundation. And guys, they just expanded this foundation. It now has 30 shades, so you can definitely find your skin tone. Come on, beauty should be accessible for everyone. So I'm so glad they expanded to get more colors. So the back of the casing says Sheglam Complexion Pro is a long-lasting, breathable matte foundation. All new, long-lasting matte foundation. It is next level, you guys. Waterproof, sweat-proof. The formula is free of fragrance, packed with non-pore clogging ingredients. Guys, it is breathable, semi-matte, and does not need to be set. You can wear it day, night, to the gym, anywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swatch one side of my face so you guys can see the difference before and after. Before I do that, let me go ahead and do 2 pumps, and I'm going to swatch this color on the back of my hand. Look at that color, you guys. It is spot on. So as you guys saw, I did 2 pumps on my hand. I swatched it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back. Of course, that's the best idea. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my face. And check this out. It literally covered my blemishes. Wow. I was truly blown away. I have larger pores and I have sensitive under eye areas, and this did not irritate my eye area, and it totally blurred my large pores. And I do have some acne scarring right there on my cheek, and it totally blurred it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this, like I said, to half my face, and we'll see what the results are. Okay, so this is no setting powder. This is no primer before the foundation or anything. Look at my skin. It looks so natural. And guys, lightweight. So extremely lightweight and breathable. I don't feel like I'm wearing a mask. So I'm just going to do one more pump here and go ahead and blend that throughout my entire face. And while I have this on double speed, let me just go ahead and say that this product blends very well. It did not feel thick. It was very, very easy and smooth to blend. It's a very smooth, velvety almost foundation. It's a liquid foundation, but it is very smooth and it's definitely mattifying. It's liquid, but it's not shiny. It doesn't leave your skin looking oily, and that's what I love. I went ahead and pulled my hair back. So this is another Shein product. It is the Expert Dual Eyeliner in the color Black by Sheglam, exclusively by Shein. So I'm using the liquid side, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to write Sheglam on my hand, of course, and I'm going to show you guys how this foundation is buildable. You can literally customize your coverage with this foundation. So let's see how this foundation does covering up this liquid eyeliner. And for this part, I am going to be using the multifaceted face sponge by Sheglam. This thing is amazing. You can literally do a full face of makeup using this sponge. You can use it as a contour stick for blending and foundation, baking, highlighting for your lips, eyebrows, and hard to reach areas. And it comes with a container that is so cute. It is great for sanitization. When you clean your sponge, you can put it in here. It has air holes to air it out if it's wet, and it just keeps it clean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put just one pump on the Sheglam sponge. One pump, you guys. Let's see how well this one pump of this makeup covers up this Sheglam logo here that I made with the gel eyeliner. So I'm just going to tap, tap, tap to see how buildable this foundation is. So as you can see, it gives a good amount of coverage here. But we're going to try it again with one additional pump, second layer. So let's see the coverage here. So this is great if you don't want a lot of coverage, but you can also apply again if you want a more heavier type of coverage, if it's for a, glam event, if it's just a light foundation you need, you can get that. If you want something slightly heavier, more coverage, you can get this as well. So let's do a little waterproof and sweatproof test. So this isn't sweat, but look how the water beads and falls right off the foundation. Right off. I was literally blown away. This is my first time using this product at all. It's on camera. And I'm wiping it off, and it's little to no transfer on my hands. So this time I used 2 pumps, and let's go ahead and use the sponge and blend this all out on my face. Let's see what a full face of this makeup looks like. And this is, once again, the skin tone Earth. One quick tip, I do recommend wetting the sponge before applying. That is one step I forgot, but it still looks great. And I did have to pull out my mirror for a little bit of assistance here because it's hard to do it while looking at your camera screen. But look at this coverage. It looks like I just have beautiful, naturally clear skin. All right, everyone. So I'm going to go ahead and complete my full face look using the Sheglam double-ended eyeliner, gel and liquid. I am using the liquid side, and I'll go ahead and just finish this makeup look, speed it up, and hope you guys enjoy. And make sure you stay tuned to get my final thoughts on this product, and also stay tuned for the removal and overall thoughts of how my skin feels after the foundation is removed. And guys, I'm no expert, so don't be too hard on me on my full makeup look. For some reason, it didn't record me doing the contour, but I did contour my face with the sponge. So I am all done. Look at this result. I am no expert. I am no pro, but Sheglam Complexion Pro really has me feeling like I am a pro at this. It was so simple and so easy, and I didn't need a lot of foundation at all. I don't feel cakey. I don't feel heavy. This foundation is definitely mind-blowing. It covered my blemishes so effortlessly. Like, I am loving this. I didn't even need to set it with powder. I got this flawless look with such little foundation. It's amazing. I don't see any sign of blemishes, and I didn't even use concealer. This is amazing. So thanks for watching so far, everyone. Stay tuned. So, Sheglam Complexion Pro, I am wearing the color Earth. This is like next level, you guys. It's sweat-proof, it's waterproof, and it's definitely packed with non-clogging ingredients. That's what I like. It is so breathable and it's so lightweight. Like, it literally does not feel like I have a mask on. I hate when foundation feels like I have a mask on, and it is super breathable and lightweight, like, honestly. Like, I feel so flawless, but at the same natural. And I am not a makeup professional. You know, this is just something quick. I can definitely see this a part of my everyday makeup routine. Like I said, it's buildable. You can wear this to the gym. You can wear this at work, or you can wear this to a fancy occasion. You can build it up to the level of coverage that you need. Like, I am truly blown away. All of my blemishes here and here are completely covered. And it did not take long at all. Like, you guys definitely give this product a look. Like I said, I'm wearing the color Earth. I was going to review the other color Caramel, but I figured I would go with Earth just because it was just a few tones darker and I feel like it would fit my skin tone a little better. But yes, I have on the color Earth on my face right now, and it is amazing. So I'm loving this frosted glass bottle. It is very, very chic, and it feels so expensive, but guess what? It is super inexpensive. So you can find Sheglam Complexion Pro on the Shein website or on the Shein app. All you have to do is simply search Complexion Pro. All the links will be down below in the description box if you are interested, but this is definitely a foundation that you should make a part of your everyday makeup routine. I have a very oily T-zone, and it is not oiling up at all. Like, usually by now you would see it within the video, but I am not oiling up at all. My favorite thing about this foundation, like I said, it feels super lightweight and it's natural looking. However, it can be used in sensitive areas such as under your eyes. Like, it's a very sensitive area. I don't notice any creasing or anything like that with this foundation. It is so matte. It's like a semi-matte finish. And I love how it's just no creasing in the sensitive areas around the nose, around the eyes. Like, it is literally no irritation. It doesn't feel heavy. This foundation, they have really, really broke the mold with this foundation. And guess what? They announced they have 30 shades. That's right, 30 shades. So you will definitely find your shade, ladies. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and remove the foundation from my face, and I will let you guys know how I feel after the makeup is removed. But I have a surprise for you guys. I am actually going to do a waterproof test actually on my face. Now, I sacrificed my makeup to do this, but let's see just how waterproof this is. Do you see how it's beating up? So I literally had to laugh at myself because I couldn't believe I was spraying my face with water, but it's definitely beating up and rolling off. And I'm going to do a test to see if I dab it off, does it look like my makeup melted at all? So I dabbed the water off, and no, it doesn't look like my face is melting or anything. It's definitely a mattifying, water-resistant, waterproof, sweat-proof foundation. It looks great. So let's go ahead and remove the makeup, ladies. So I'm using a standard makeup removing wipe, nothing special. And even though this makeup is waterproof, it is coming off fairly easy by just slightly rubbing the area. You don't want to cause any irritation, but it's really coming off really easy. So even after removing the foundation, my skin feels super soft. It doesn't feel irritated. I have no redness in the sensitive areas under my eyes. I mean, my skin feels soft, and I don't feel like I needed to scrub the foundation off. Nothing is irritated, no redness. My pores don't feel clogged. So, I mean, after a long day, 6 to 8 hours, you want to feel clean and fresh after removing the makeup. So definitely check out the links below in the description box. Everything that you need will be down there. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and for staying tuned. Please remember to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think of my very first makeup tutorial. And this is, of course, to showcase the new Sheglam Complexion Pro Foundation. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.